Hi, I'm Nick. Just wanted to make a video, just a quick demo really, of our Swift cut machine. So here we have our hot rod sign. It's going to be made with two parts. We're going to do the spanner separate, just got a little bit of depth there. So firstly we need to just deselect all of it, and then we'll just say that we just want to cut just the hot rod sign on its own. So should generate a 3D image of the part that you want to be cutting. So we'll just OK that. And there it is there. So we'll just come back to this screen and we'll again just ignore the sign. Now we've just got the spanner. So now we've got our two parts. So now we just need to work our way along and to generate our G code for the plasma cutter to cut it out. So we'll just press next, and there's the parts. You can change the layout of the parts by dragging them around, but it's actually nested those pretty well. So we'll click next again. Now on this bit of the screen it actually shows you all your leads in and leads out. So sometimes on stuff that you've hand drawn, these lead-ins will be put in odd places, so you do have to move them about, but it does seem that it's done this pretty good actually. So we'll just next that again. So now it's just writing the G code, and it's telling us, I don't know if you can see there, but it's telling us that we're using a fine cut that's running at 45 amps. We're cutting 2mm stainless with the plasma at the minute. So we can close that. It does give you a lot of handy information as well, cutting time, and it tells you your wastage of material as well. So now it just comes up with like a graphic image of the actual plasma position. So we just click past that. But that's generated the G code. So we now have to go on to the next bit of software and import that G code. So there it is there. So what we need to do now, which might be a bit difficult because I've got the camera in my hand, is bring the head of the machine over. So we just want to zero the head to the edge of the material. So now we've got the material zeroed, we can go ahead and run it. So there we go, a little bit of a clean up, tack it up, job done. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. See you next time.